Hey guys, and welcome to Zypher. And today I was thinking about what can be my typing speed. Well, actually, I was just I was just amazed by how these people type so fast, and I want to see what is the typing speed of me. And I'm going to just take a quick test to see what is my typing speed. Well, a normal person types almost 31 to 40 words per minute, called WPM, words per minute. And you know, I just want to take this test because I'm working on computers for almost 4 years now, and I want to see how I'm improved. I want to know how I improved my typing skills because I took a typing test almost 4 years ago, and my typing speed was I think it's around 18 or 19 WPM, and I want to see what is my typing speed at the current present time. It's actually 28th of June 2022, and I'm here to test my potential in typing. So let's get started. So here I am on my computer, and now I'm just going to type typing test, and I think this is the one. Okay, so here we have low battery on my phone. I want to connect power cable. Oh yeah, just
Oh, boom!
don't worry, it's the
Okay, that's good.
speakers. Switch the camera, please.
Nothing in it.
So now I'm here, and I'm going to take a page test because 1 minute time is a bit low, and I want to see how fast I can type one page. Okay, so actually keyboards will decide how you type because every keyboard is different, and I said that I actually did a typing test 4 years ago, and it was a laptop, and I'm going to do this time with a keyboard. So this is going to be not accurate, but it's approximately the same typing speed. Okay, so now let's just start this one page test. Okay, so test length estimate 8 minutes. So let's start. Continue, and I'm gonna start typing as soon as it appears. Okay, what gives gecko its grip? Okay, let's just start. What gives the gecko its grip? What allows it
to any surface, even glass? The answer is in its toes.
can bend in the opposite direction of our fingers and toes. All of this rashes, itchy eyes, nasal
2 minutes left.
congestion, itchiness, difficulty. Okay, so I almost took more than 5 minutes, I think so. So let's see. So you typed one page typing test. Your speed was 38 words per minute with 97% accuracy. Oh, actually, this is pretty good because 4 years ago, it almost my words per minute was almost 21, but now I just had 38 words per minute with 97% of accuracy. Last time I think so I had 72% accuracy, but this time I have 97% accuracy, and I almost took 13 minutes, but this time I just took 6 minutes. So this is a huge development through these 4 years. So that's it for today, guys, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. And also, here are some of the tips that you can follow to improve your typing speed. Okay, so first of all, make sure that you are strong in your grammar, because grammar is important and in typing. And also make sure that the punctuations that you make is it's without any grammatical errors. Make sure that the punctuations are in the sentence that you're typing is at the correct place and in correct sound. Okay, and then the next thing is make sure that your keyboard and the way that you're sitting is comfortable for you, because without a comfortable keyboard and a chair you cannot type. And also the next thing is you need to practice. Okay, you just need to practice. You can just I don't recommend you to sit all day long in computers and going on typing all the big sentences and all. You just need to do what you just need to do is just type 1 page per day and just improve your speed gradually. And I didn't do anything to improve my typing speed. It was about my experience, and I'm a programmer. I have to type so fast because in programming, typing is everything. Without you don't even need your mouse in programming or Linux. You just need to use your keyboard and your hands to operate the computer. So that's it for today, guys, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And also you can now all of our source code for the apps that I developed is available on my site. You can go ahead and sign up for yourself and download all those source codes and include it in your project. And also don't forget to like, share, and you all know what to do, man. Don't make me say everything every time. So bye.